Hey there, welcome to Affiliate Marketing and your quick start guide for beginners. Now, by the end of this free training session, you will understand the concept of what it takes to be a professional affiliate marketer, not just someone who dabbles in it or earns a few commissions here and there. This is the strategic steps you need to follow in order to hopefully someday become a full-time affiliate marketer. Now, first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is action-based marketing. Okay, companies pay affiliates commissions for referrals. Now, this referral may be a sale or it may be a lead. Regardless, companies love this because, once again, this is action-based marketing. There is no risk for the company. If they're going to pay you as the affiliate a 50% referral fee on each sale, then their marketing budget is set. They don't have to worry about increasing advertising costs, and they don't have to worry about competition outbidding them. That's why affiliate marketing is such a great business model, and it's a great way for companies to make money and beginners to get started. Now, the way this works is referrals are tracked with a unique URL. Anytime you sign up for an affiliate program with a third-party company, you as the affiliate are going to get a unique URL. That way they can track visitors. So if someone clicks on your unique URL, then they go over to the site and then make a purchase, that purchase will be credited to you as the affiliate. Therefore, that company will know to pay you a commission. Now, the great thing is affiliate programs are free to join. Now, this will help keep your startup costs low and allow you to get started ASAP. Now, in the next video, we'll talk about why affiliate marketing is the absolute best model for beginners looking to make money online.